I'm Saem. We'll solve practical 8.02. Open 8.03 rows and columns XLS. So we have to open up 8.03. So we'll open up 8.03. Insert a row above row 5. So right click and you simply insert above row 5, right? So click over here and you simply say insert, right? Next, delete column C, come to column C and you can simply click on delete. Remember to click on the heading. Increase the height of row 1. So you can see the row 1. So manually you increase the height. They haven't asked us how much, so manually do it yourself. Decrease the width of column B. So manually decrease the width of column B. Never told us, so we can just do it ourselves. Hide rows 2 to 3. So from 2 to 3, just make sure you select here. You select on this side, not here. Select here and right click over here and you're supposed to hide, right? And then merge cells A4 to C4 to become a single cell. So A4 to C4, sorry, it's A4 to C4, you will merge here. So that become a single cell, as you can see over here. Okay, so